Hello and welcome. We will be looking at how to use the powerful Keyword Trend Analyzer on Tubetool.Ai. This tool helps you to uncover the best YouTube keywords and topics and supercharge your SEO strategy. The Keyword Trend Analyzer has 3 tabs. Let's look at each one in detail. The first is the Recommended tab. In this section, you get recommendations for your next video title based on your previous video's performance, your channel category, and your audience interest. Our AI tool dives into your past video performance, providing tailored and unique suggestions for your next video topics. Next is the Trending Now tab. Here, you get daily search trends, real-time search trends, and top search trends for YouTube in one place. Our tool provides daily, real-time, and top search trends based on your YouTube channel country, all in one convenient place. Lastly, we have the search bar. Here, you research about any keywords and uncover valuable insights, including keyword score, competition score, top competitors, search volume, relevancy score, and audience interest. You can filter your search by changing the date, location, category, and source. Not only this, you will check advanced keyword score and competitor score in this section. Thanks for watching.